How to buy Vista social plans. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Vista social and how you can buy one of their plans. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm on the website and you will find the links in the description below along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money on your plan. So let's get into it. Now, Vista Social is a online social media manager where you can manage your social medias. Right here, you can see they got a bunch of different options. You can manage all of your Facebooks, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, whatever. You can manage all of them over here. You can manage your postings, engagement, everything. And it's free to use. You can try it for free, but there is a pricing plan. So here you can see these are the pricing plans. We got the professional, the advanced, the scale, and the enterprise. Check the links for more details and save money. And here you can go ahead and just simply click on any one of them and start your free trial. And you can see right here all of the social medias that it, supports. So we got Facebook, Insta, Threads, X, TikTok, Reddit, Canva, all of the major ones, right? And you can see right here, this is their pricing plan. This is the monthly plan, and this is the yearly pricing. So you can select whichever one you want and try it for free, and you should be good to go. Again, make sure you check the link in the description below, and then just simply sign up by filling out this form or just simply signing up with Google. And then you can just simply fill this form out. Usually, if you sign up with Google, you won't have to, but it wasn't working for me, so that's why I got to do this now. But yeah, you just simply fill out this form and then click on continue. And then you just simply fill out your email address of your, of your coworkers, whoever you want to add over here, but I'm going to skip this. And then you're good to go. Then you can go ahead and connect any of these socials. So we got Facebook, Threads, Twitter, LinkedIn, all of them. So you simply hit the connect button, select the brand or create a new profile, click on continue. Yeah, that's fine. This is recommended. This one is for business, personal. This one is for business. It depends on you. You got to make sure that your profile that you're trying to connect to is also in business. But yeah, then you just simply hit the continue button, you connect it, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Right, so there you go. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now again, if you want to go ahead and actually buy the product, make sure you check the link in the description below for the discounted rates and enjoy. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.